Okay guys, so we're doing fog bases in SERUM 2. Cool, so now I do like to start with a little bit of saturation here. We'll go for these analog BD signs, random down. That's the first step. Second step, we're going to go to effects and we're going to get distortion. And we're going asim, full. Cool. Next step is oscillator B. Same again, analog BD sign, random down. Now move the first point. As you can see, it's quite different. I'm going to leave it there where it's more noisy. And we're going up 2 octaves, try. Cool. And then if you got this envelope 2, put it on level for this second oscillator. And just go like this. Bit of release, and then envelope 1, tiny bit of that, bit of release. Now we're going to add a bit of unison. Bit less on the detune. Cool. We can add a bit of equalizer just to boost it. Can even put that on it. Get a bit more movement. We can dip a bit out. You got these buses now. What you can add, like a compression maybe. And then in the mix here, or on the oscillator, we can send it to the bus. So that's parallel glue now. Now on that bus, I might want to EQ the sub end away. Maybe a bit of chorus, something like that. Flange. Cool. Now we can change octave. And you can change semitone. 7 maybe. Or you can go at -2 maybe. +4. You can add the filter. That's just to A. Or A and B. And now we've got this extra one.